Welcome to JS's Trainings, where we explore the intriguing question: why use technicals for investing? Isn't it traditionally for trading? Don't we need to use fundamental analysis for long-term investing? Let's dive into the benefits of technical analysis in investment strategies. Stock prices are influenced by demand and supply, with many variables at play. Even companies with strong fundamentals can have different price charts due to market signals. Demand and supply dynamics are crucial for understanding these variations. Let's examine the P/E ratios of listed pharma companies. This comparison helps us understand how different companies are valued in the market, providing insights into their investment potential. Here, we see the price chart for Abbott India with a P/E ratio of 39. Analyzing this chart helps us understand the market trends and potential investment opportunities for this company. Next, we have Laurus Labs with a P/E ratio of 79. This chart provides a different perspective, showcasing how technical analysis can reveal trends and inform investment decisions. Look at the same period that we marked in the last chart on Abbott India. Clearly, Laurus Labs gave inferior returns even though the market, in its wisdom, gives a much higher PE to Laurus Labs. So, would going by fundamental analysis given you better gains? No, absolutely not. Piramal Pharma's chart shows a loss, highlighting the importance of technical analysis in identifying potential risks and making informed investment choices. Using purely fundamental analysis, you wouldn't touch this stock. But in the marked period, it gave better gains than Laurus Labs. First and foremost, stock markets are about demand of the stock versus supply. Fundamental analysis can be tedious, requiring high-level skills and time. Often, the market hasn't yet discovered a fundamental gem, while insiders may have already cashed out, making it a challenging approach. Besides, fundamental data is available long after with a delay that can cost you a reasonable entry point. Technical analysis helps pinpoint good entry and exit price levels, maximizing gains and minimizing risks. It reflects all demand and supply forces, making it a valuable tool for long-lasting investments. After all, why would a whole market buy into a script that is weak? At this point, I'd point you to my other videos that deal with the subject. Just scroll through and select which ones you want to watch. I'm not going to repeat all that here again. Charting on different time frames allows for various investment strategies, from intraday trading to long-term investing. Reviews can start daily and move to weekly or monthly, adapting to investment needs. For a long-term investor, using a weekly chart over longer time periods of the chart, say 5 years view, can cut out the noise of the daily charts. We utilize various charts and indicators, such as moving averages and momentum, to analyze price movements and make informed investment decisions. These tools are essential for effective technical analysis. For most investors, the 5-year line chart works best as it eliminates the distractions of the daily/weekly price variation. The best analysts pick the stocks that go into any index. There are scores of indices covering almost all sectors. So these stocks that go into an index are already screened for fundamentals and representative of their sectors. Selecting stocks within any index already involves thorough research and understanding. Choose indices of sectors you know well and drill down into each constituent's chart to make confident investment choices. Use the link to review the plethora of indices to choose from. A fundamental analyst might mistake buying a stock for buying the company, while a technical analyst might do the same. An investor should focus on buying and selling stocks driven by profits. And that depends purely on demand for the scrip and the supply in the markets. Look out for more videos that cover all aspects of building wealth in my collection. Like and subscribe to get timely alerts on new additions. Thank you for joining us. Follow this channel to stay updated with more videos on investment strategies. We'll cover every aspect of investments, helping you make informed decisions.